With me getting a new desk, I'd pretty much been getting some extra little bits and pieces, mostly from eBay, to help me out with this. And one of the things I wanted to do was get my desktop a bit more off the ground. So, after searching on eBay, I found what's in this packet. So that's pretty much what this is going to be about. Putting this together and see what it looks like. Oh wait, there can be a bit more to construction beyond this, but obviously it's not. Just make sure there's no instruction manual in it. Oh, tool. Well, I don't know how durable it is. I certainly wouldn't recommend that to put something rather heavy, like if you want to put a server or something like that with a whole heap of hard drives in it and everything else. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't put it on this thing. It's just with the plastic stuff like that, it does feel firm. It doesn't feel like it can hold a lot of weight. So the other thing too, it's got lockable wheels, so you can have it not moving around so much. But yeah, so it worked for me though. With this old thing I got, it's pretty much the next thing I want to replace around here. Yeah, need a bit of water. Yeah, that'll work for me. Because it's not exactly long either, so it's not sitting on its feet basically. It will pretty much using its feet to just lock it in so it doesn't slide around too much. But yeah, it's off the ground, so yeah, I'll leave it at that. So consider subscribing down below, and until next time, have a good one.